Okay, let's take a look at this problem. We got f of x equals negative x squared minus 8x minus 15. And it wants to find a vertex. So let's do that first. Now for our vertex, we got 3 steps that we have to go through. We have to identify a and b. Now a is whatever number's in front of your x squared, which is negative 1. And b is whatever number's in front of your x, which is negative 8. Then we want to plug those into negative b over 2a. So we're going to have negative b, which is negative 8, over 2 times a, and a is negative 1. Negative negative gives us positive 8 over negative 2, which gives us negative 4. Now, negative 4 is the x part of our vertex. Now, step 3, you take the value from step 2, and you plug that in the original function. Remembering f of x is equal to y. So we got y is equal to negative. I'll go through, and everywhere I had an x, I'll put in a set of parentheses. And we'll plug in a number from step 2, which is negative 4. Negative 4 squared is 16. This negative carries down. Negative 8 times negative 4 is positive 32 minus 15. Negative 16 plus 32 is 16 minus 15, which gives us 1. And this is the y part of our vertex. So our vertex will be negative 4, 1. Assuming I didn't make a math error. Let's see. Negative 4, 1. Okay, now the second thing it's asking us for is the axis symmetry. That's easy. The axis symmetry is x equals the x part of the vertex. So we got x is equal negative 4. X equals negative 4. I'm assuming that's form because it says type an equation. Some books might just have you write negative 4. Okay, does it have a maximum minimum value? The fact that our a is negative means our graph opens down. And since it opens down, that means we're going to have a maximum value. So, we're going to have a, maximum value. The maximum value is equal to, and this is easy if you got your vertex, the maximum value is equal to the y part of the vertex, which is 1. And use a graphing tool to graph the function. So if I were to graph this, go to y equals clear, negative x squared minus 8x minus 15, and then graph. Looks like it crosses at negative 3 and negative 5, but probably close enough is not good enough for my math lab. So let me go into my table. I'm going to do my table setup first. I do second button and then window. And I want to make sure independent is set to ask. So I'm down arrowing to this line, and I right arrow one time and press enter to select the ask. And now I can go to table. So I do second graph. And here I can plug in values. So like if I plugged in negative 4, it should give us 1. Now I said that I thought, well, I can't see it now, but I thought negative 3 or negative 5. Let's see, negative 3. Yeah, negative 3, 0. Okay, so let's try those. Choose the parabola tool, this one. Probably can put my, put the vertex. Our vertex was negative 4, 1. There. And then we need probably one more point. And we said our other point was negative 3, 0. So negative 3, 0 right there. Save that, and then check. And that'd be that problem.